इंडिया एक ऐसी कंट्री जहाँ हर सीज़न डिफरेंट है, जहाँ हर स्टेट डिफरेंट है। अब चाहे वो नॉर्थ का कश्मीर हो जो बर्फ़ से ढका हो, या फिर हो साउथ में बसी कन्याकुमारी जो समुद्र से घिरी हो, या फिर हो वेस्ट का राजस्थान जहाँ रेगिस्तान देखने को मिलता है, या फिर वो ईस्ट में बसा मेघालय जहाँ पूरे साल बारिश होती है, जिसे हम अबोर्ड ऑफ क्लाउड्स भी कहते हैं, यानी बादलों का घर। सो हाई गाइज, वेलकम टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप यूल एंजॉय द वीडियो एंड वॉच टिल एंड। So, the first place is Molinong. This place is declared as Asia's cleanest village, and if you take stroll to the village, you will not find even a single flake of dry leaf lying on the road. So, you must visit this beautiful place. After this place, the second is the Umgot River. After the cleanest village, Molinong, the Umgot River is the cleanest river in India, and there are various points on the road where you can see the Bangladesh border also. If you visit this place, don't forget to have a boat ride in this beautiful river. The next is the Living Root Bridge. We have seen various bridges, but this one is different. The villagers of this place have taken the roots of two fig trees together to construct this beautiful natural bridge. This place there is a beautiful fall which is a true blessing of nature. One has to climb 300 stairs to reach to the base of this waterfall, but during the monsoon time tourists are not allowed to go to the base because it becomes quite dangerous for them. Then after this there is a man-made lake which is the Umiam Lake. This area is situated in the outskirts of Shillong, and it is said that this village was not having electricity, so the villagers decided to make this lake with the help of Assam Electricity Board for the electricity supply. Then this national park is located on the Garo Hills in Meghalaya and is famous for the species of flora and fauna. Then our next destination is also a national park, which is Nokrik National Park. This park is famous for its red panda and various species of cats, birds, and Asian elephants. This place is simply a tourist paradise with 3 layers of fall and is very beautiful place, and you must visit it. After this there is the next place, which is Cherrapunji. It is the high altitude town in Meghalaya, as we all know, and it's famous for its living root bridge, which can hold 50 people at a time. So the next place is Mawsyndram, which is in the East Khasi Hill district of Meghalaya. This place received the highest rainfall on earth, and this is famous for its stone which resembles the shape of Shivling. As we all know, Mawsyndram is the only place on earth which receives the highest rainfall throughout the year, so you must visit this beautiful place. Then is the Shillong Peak, which is the highest point where you can have a bird eye view of awesome Shillong. Then is the Wards Lake, which is a beautiful botanical garden which surrounds the man-made lake. The next is the Lady Park. This place is the Japanese style garden and is the best kids zone area in Shillong. This has a museum and a zoo, and you should go and check out for the animals like Himalayan, black bear, jackal, leopard, deer, and hornbills. There is a small lake which has pelican, ducks, and colorful fishes. The next place is the Siju Cave, which is also known as the Bat Cave. The whole cave is a limestone cave as it is made up of a limestone. The next place to visit is the South Garo Hills. This place is an administrative district in Meghalaya, and South Garo Hill is considered to be the smallest district in the country. Then the next is the Seven Sister Waterfall, which is the fourth highest waterfall in India, and this place is near Cherrapunji. After that, this is also a waterfall which is very beautiful, and you must visit this place. If you visit Meghalaya, don't forget to do the following activities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.